Hello everyone. In the course of web development, today's topic is downloading a text editor. So I'm gonna download Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and as per name, Microsoft created it, so it's very handy. So let's go download it. So I'm gonna download it for Windows because I have Windows operating system, and here I click on downloads and finally install the software. So you can check out what the different features it has. Yeah, basically you have to explore each and everything. Hit the like button if you want more videos on web development, and this will encourage me to make more videos on this topic. That's it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.